Poblacion and I'm buying right now of toy gun or gun toy of Bonbon by Eric Bon. So we will just try right now. It's 300 plus guys. It's a bit expensive but you know, I love my Bonbon. Sige, kung ano po na to. Okay, this is a main road, beside of the road only guys.
Ay, kada 550.
More. Bonbon, you should be good. This is out of our budgets.
Pila rin?
So, we will surprise him guys.
650.
We just try. Ayan na, we are buying that one. Panakot, then isda. Surprise! Even expensive, okay lang yan. Kay mahal man namong Bonbon because we love so much Bonbon, guys. Nawa. Show to them. Ansa may isolte. Welcome. Ang mahala na kayo. Butangan pa na, imo pa nangingon. Welcome. So guys, we just went from Poblacion. We bought that toy gun and then some oil. You know, the oil right now it's very expensive. Before 175, now 182. And then this fish, check. Dandan, hawak. This fish from Miss Eileen. Thank you so much, Miss Eileen. Very happy because look, we got 3 fish. Because the husband of Miss Eileen, she got a big fish caught from the ocean. You know. Thank you. And of course, I am here, guys. So yeah, I need to do something, guys, because we're gonna do exercise later. And I couldn't believe all the, how do you call that, cabbage. This is all 70 plus, guys. Grabe. Loya, ginger. So thank you so much, guys. Give me thumbs up.